Hello, I'm 4, and I don't think I was who you were expecting to see today. Well, William got a new phone and a new challenge playset, and a new playset. So in honor of that, we're starting season 12. 4's Fantastic Fantasy. We have a bunch of contestants today, some new ones. We also have all our hosts. One of them is a new guy. Here he is, Magnet Stick. We have me, X Ice Cream, Ice Cube, Ice Flower, and Fire Flower are here as well. Oh yes, and our special guest today, hello, is the crane that is part of this playset. We also have a bucket of magnets and a bowl. A bucket of magnetic items and a bowl. That will be revealed to later when we start the challenge. Could have magnetic items and a bowl. But before we start today's the first challenge, two things. Part of the gimmick will be that there are no teams. Yes, I know To the Top already did this. However, the gimmick here is that instead of having everybody that loses get out, everybody that loses will face an elimination ceremony instead. At least 2 people will get out. Could be more. First, we have some new faces, a bunch of old ones. So before we reveal the first challenge, I'd like to introduce you to the contestants. Or reintroduce in that case. But regardless, our contestants for this season are, also we may have teams later on, I'm not sure yet. Anyway, the contestants for this season are Diesel, 1, we have Gordon's Tender, Curbs Track, Kevin, Cargo Car, Troublesome Truck, Wooden Thomas, Water Tanker, Door Stopper, Cargo, Primate, Icebird, Tractor, Mega Man, Tractor Trailer, Toby, Redbird, ATV, Bishop, Wolverine's Bike, Fred, KK Slider, Busy Bee James's Tender, Fence, Mickey Mouse Fidget Spinner, Minecraft Map, Airship Wheel, Metal Triangle, Inkling Boy, Yeti Zombie, Cosmog, Crystal, Golden Eggs, Knight, Stone Eye, Chuck, Minecraft Diamond, Gordon, Cosmo, Cooligan, Wobbuffet, Mareep, Buster, for Alligator, Lakitu, Nerf Gun 2.0, Nia, Zero, Henry's Tender, Inkling Girl, Yellow Toad, Space Scruff, Spencer Rook, 5, Crazy Dave, Chopper, Shy Guy, Bucket, Bluebird, Cyan Crewmate, Gray Crewmate, Mini Magic 8 Ball, Disco Zombie, Blue Crewmate, Diesel 10, Nerf Gun, Fancy Bike, Captain Zombie, Skull Raft, Dead Crewmate, Bomb, Peter Sam, Green Button Platform, Blue Brick Separator, Fighter Jet, Lego Train, Busy Bee James, Brick Separator, Skull, the magical separating version of mystery machine with magic separation powers. And powers. Tiny Thomas, All Engines Go Thomas, Bookload, King Pig Keychain, Abstracted, Bat Bike, Taxi, Tom Nook, Mr. Rossetti, Pawn, Jelly Beans, Kadabra, or Alakazam, whichever one that is. We'll say Kadabra. We'll say Alakazam actually, because 2 spoons. Rainbow Wheel, Weird Flying Machine, Meganium, Waddle Dee, Exploding Bomb, Skarloey, Cerulean Shield, King Pig, Zelda, Galumba, Doom Tractor, Dirt Bike, Knuckles, King, Doug Trio, Meta Knight, and Witch. One of these guys will be our winner. Now, for today's first challenge. You may have realized the magnets that I had, the magnet bin I had. Well, your job, I'm going to pour those out. The bin of metallic items. Your job is to get one of those into this bucket. Into the purple bucket. If you can successfully get your item into the purple bin, you're safe. If your magnet can make it into the purple bin, you're safe. If your magnet makes it into the purple bin, you're safe. If you are one of the contestants who does not have a magnetic item in there, then you are up for elimination. You may work together, or you don't have to. And the crane is here to be used to your advantage as transportation for the items. Also, the crane. If any magnetic... Also, the crane may be used later on. Because I don't know if there's going to be enough. We'll see how many people. Because you must use some form of magnet. So now the reason we have the crane, you must use some form of magnet to bring your item to the box. Whether it be the help of a magnet stick, the crane, or one of your items. Or yourselves. But some form of magnetic ability or power, some form of magnetic ability or some kind of power of any sort must be used. Anybody who has any special abilities must use them. If not, you must use one of the crane. You must, by any means necessary, magnetize using the crane. You must use the crane to pick up an item. You must get an item. Well, anyway, you must find a way to get an item into the bin. The crane will be trying to pick up the items to stop you. The crane will block your path by trying to pick up the items on your way. Now go. You may work together, you don't have to. Okay, guys, easy. Cargo car. What? Come on. Dude, really? Really wait for me. I'm coming with. Easy for me. This challenge is gonna be a breeze, dude. Kevin, you can only take one. Well, sorry, my magnet is so strong, damn it. Now, also, Fire flower, everyone else get off of the tracks. That might help. If you guys do that. Especially if Kevin is currently using them. By the way, Kevin is the first one safe. Sweet. So what's our plan? Easy. Have the crane load us 4 magnets. That's what. Dude, I'm here to stop you guys, remember? Just do it. Hell, I can't even reach them. Damn it. Shut up, dude. Guys, so what do we do? I can fly. Yoink. Lakitu is the second one safe. Oh wait, Toby, sorry. You know him? Dude, Lakitu. Really, man? Sorry, guys, I forgot. Maybe you could have given us magnets first, damn it. So, how about that? Idea. Dude, what are we supposed to do? Trouble some trucks? Come on. Let's get out of here. Dude, what? I have an idea. But you're not gonna like it. Dude, what? Remember that cliff? Dude, remember that cliffhanger thing? Dude, no. I'm not gonna... Dude, we're not doing that again. Dude, we don't have much of a choice. Now, do we? What? Dude, so I'm not pushing you down the cliff. Do it. I need to jump the track onto the magnets. What? Push me. Dang it, you're not strong enough. Thomas, help us. What the hell do you two want? I have a plan. We're gonna have to crash. Help, back up. No, couple up the troublesome truck. Now, go good. Troublesome truck. Coupling you up to flatbed. Cargo car. Thomas, couple up to me. Let's back up to them. Cargo car, get in. Cargo, get in. Now, here's the plan. Now, here's our plan. We're gonna try and we're gonna try and use the thing and jump off the tracks onto the thing. I think that's gonna work. It's worth a shot, isn't it? I guess. Anyway. Meanwhile, water tanker is safe. We have magnets. Just use ours. We're on the rails, damn it. We're not jumping. We gotta jump off the rails anyway. Then I go like this. What? You idiot. See you guys. Thomas. Whoa. Thomas is safe. Thomas. See ya. Those idiots. I know. Come on. We're on this side of the tracks. Suckers. Shut up, man, and help us. Shut up and help us, dude. No, why would I do that? Oh, you know what? Fine, sure. Oh, wait, no, I won't. Whatever. I can still stop these two. What the hell is going on? Haha, I'm too heavy for you. No. But this one's not. Now. This one's not too heavy for me. Now, where's it? Save me. Toby! Toby! What? Magnet! See ya! Cargo is safe. Toby! God. Well, I'm still trying his plan. What? Whoa! Wrong way! Ow. Try that again. What? Whoa! Thanks. Wait, I have 3. Guys, come on. Hook on. What the? That's your back, dude. Now, cargo car. Hold on to those magnets. You only have 2 of them. Cargo car and troublesome truck are safe. So am I. Toby, fine. You're safe too. Yes, Toby, you're safe too. Thanks for ditching us, God Thomas. Well, you're safe too, aren't you? Yeah. No thanks to you. Alright, let's do this. So, what am I gonna miss? No, I don't think that's what I'm gonna miss. What? Door stopper is safe. Really? Oh wait, well I can do something like that too, can I? Yeah, I can. Hold on. You're taking me with you now. No, I'm not. Whoa! Whoa! Ow. No, I'm broken again. Anyways. Pick one. And yeah. And yeah. I'll be taking that, thanks. ATV is safe. Really? Whatever, there's plenty more where that one came from. Huh. Tractor trailer is safe. Despite having the piece fly off him again. Lunatic. If you're gonna call yourself a lunatic, then actually dude, just get started with the challenge already, damn it. Yeah, I agree. Whoa, fence, out of the way, dude. Wow. Okay, look, magnet. Yeah, thanks. Fence is safe. Tender, really? I'm an independent contestant now. See ya, dude. Tender, Bitty Bitty Tender is safe. Well, Whoa. Whoa. My front, yeah, here. Flap. Made it, now. Found one. Flap. Safe. Chopper is safe. Military flying machine is safe, I mean. Yeah. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. That's my line, dude. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Bat bike. Yoink. Chronimo. Bat bike is safe. Machine part. Go fetch me a piece. Mystery machine is safe. Ha! I knew it. Damn it. Powerful. Now is the one I wish I saw in my vehicle. Oh wait, thanks, dude. What? Get off me! What? Whoa! Thanks, Lego Train, for the pieces. The magnets, dude. Stone Eye is safe. Damn it! What am I supposed to do? Wait, look, track. I don't actually fit on them. Sugar. Okay, look, magnets. Hoist. Ja! Lego Train is safe. Lego Train is safe. I'm spreading the magnets out. And Crane, you need to start doing a better job at stopping them. So I'd say pick up some of the magnets. Yeah. And try to make them get up there. To grab them from you. Try to make them get up there and pry them from you. How the hell are we supposed to get up there, though? There's plenty more down there, too. Did someone say, up in the air? Take off. Take off mode, engage. Flap, 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 flap. Whoa. Flap, 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 flap. Whoa. Crash. Huh. Austin do way better than that. Geronimo. Fighter jet is safe. Dude, help me up at least. X. Can you X flip him over? On it, Fort. Hold on. Thanks, X. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. No, dude, do you mind please giving me one of those? I don't really want to get back up in the air. Well, too bad, because you have to. I'm not giving you a magnet. X. Dude, you suffered enough already. Crane, give him a magnet. He suffered enough already. Dude, I've learned the error of my ways of being a bad host. I don't want my contestants to hate me. He's learned the... Crane, give him a magnet. He suffered enough already. He got flipped, he crashed, flipped over, and his best friend ditched him for safety. Please just give him a magnet. Fine. Here you go, dude. Thanks. Chopper is safe. Please just give him a magnet. You guys are really just gonna do that? Yeah, why? You are here too, you know. You know what? Me and X can host this on our... Where no, you guys aren't hosting it by yourselves. Ice Cube, you could say. So what? You're saying, what about the four of us? Contestant role. Well, then I'll just win real time. What if I do it? You're on. Come on. You're on. Haha. Magnet stick is safe. Really, dude? Really, to make them contestants? Yeah, dude. Me, X, and Ice Cube can do this. Oh, see you guys. Oh, ice cream is safe. Come on, Ice Flower. Let's do this. Dude, they're really gonna let us do this? Have us do this? Fire Flower is safe. Ice Flower is safe. Yeah, I guess they are gonna just have us do this. I'm not complaining. More chances to win an actual season. So, what now? Dude, we would have wanted you to be a contestant too. We can handle this. For what? You really have to do that? So you said you're gonna be a nice host to the contestants, I think, and to our other hosts. Not to the I don't like. Other than you, I don't want BFGIers together. That's why. That's what I was gonna say. See, this is just for. I don't want to hear it, X. Super teapot. Whatever. Whatever. Now get on with it. Now get on with the contest. Sing show business. Nerf. Now, give me the magnets or I will shoot. What bullets? Air bullets. Whoa! Heh. Nerf gun is safe. Dude, we'll all do the same. I'm ready to this time. Are you though? Dang it, I guess you are. Well, I'll be back. Wow. Cosmo, what? Magnet. Cosmo needs a magnet for himself to win. Safety. Cosmo must take magnet. Where must Cosmo find magnet for himself to win? Here is one, but how must Cosmo lift it? Dang it, Cosmo almost had it. Cosmo found magnet. Cosmo is safe. Yes, Cosmo, you're safe. That is what I said to myself. Come on, James, we gotta win. But my tender, shut up about your tender. Abandonment or not, it doesn't mean we can't win. Unsuspecting contestant. Drop. Ow, what was that? Drop. Drop. What the? Drop. Bit. Drop. Drop. What the hell is going on? What the hell just dropped on me? Nothing. Nothing. Totally nothing. It was totally nothing. Toss. What the hell was that? A magnet! Dang it, I lost it. Give me the magnet, dude. You have to get it from me first. Toss. Thanks, mate. Gordon's safe. Really, dude? You said you wanted to be a loner, like your head. I didn't say that. Quit for me. Oh, magnet, sweet. Metal thing, sweet. Perfect. Magnetic item, sweet. My turn next. Oh, Henry Tender. No, don't so fast. What the? Whoa! And I'll be taking that. Thank you, Magnet Boy. What the? Diesel is safe. I'm gonna get him for that after I grab a magnet. Come on. Give me the magnet. You have to try and catch me. Oh. How the hell did you... Henry's Tender is safe. Dude, stop soaking. Come on. Dude, I'm not letting you... Okay, then. Well, see ya. Help me, dude. I'm not... dropping magnets on people to get them safe, dude. What? Whoa. Well, flatbed is safe. Sweet. All engines go Thomas is safe. Primeape is safe. Triangle metal thing is safe. Airship wheel is safe. Wolverine's bike is safe. Cooligan is safe. Green button platform is safe. Feraligatr is safe. Icebird is safe. Bishop is safe. Redbird is safe. I've been working with the magnets all the live along the day. Do da do da do da do do. Dee da da dum da dum dee. I've been working with the magnets all the live long day. I've been working with the magnets just to keep the time away. Picking up the metal pieces all around the town. I've been picking up the pieces just to make them proud. Magnets, won't you go and sing this song? Sing along, sing this song. I've been working for metal to pick up with magnets. I've been taking screws and nails into their bin. I think there's too many magnets right now. Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. I am collecting each individual one, and we are singing our song. So, who the hell are you? New? What the hell's the name of that? Whatever, I'm going to go safe. Whatever, I'm going for safety. And Mega Man is safe. See ya. What the? And Alakazam is safe. And Abstracted is safe. We do. There are magnets all about. Yes, indeed there are. Dude, can you get off me? Sorry, but I like to sing around this town. And we must say, what a day it is to magnet around. And I guess I'm safe now. Into the bin I must go, go, go. Wait, hey, dude. Wait, do, 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 do. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Sweet, thanks. Beetle 10 is safe. Fred is safe. Tiny Thomas is safe. Alright, we're starting to dwindle on contestants. We're not safe yet. King Pig keychain is safe. I'm commandeering this. I'm commandeering you now, Crane. What? Whoa. King Pig is safe. Now, how many are not safe yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21. "56 of you are not safe. Once there are 15 of you left to check, was there either 15 of you or the magnet supply has been depleted? Everyone, the challenge will end. Keep going. Da 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 da. Golden egg is safe. What the hell? Stop with singing, guys, please. Well, dum da dum ba dum ba dum drum. Strum, strum, strum all day. Strum, 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 strum away. I'm safe now, yay. Ow. KK Slider is safe despite missing the bin. And so is a mini magic 8 ball. Girlie, wait. Oh, hey, Bigger Sam, what's up? This seems a little odd to you. Random train tracks appearing. Season 11 starting out of nowhere. Dude, stop with this, dude. We're doing season 12, dude. We're doing this forever. Just take it back and just take one of these and let's go. Just take it and just come on, take the magnet and come with me. Dude, just take dude, just come with me. I have 2 magnets for us. Scarloey and Peter Sam. The magnets, Scarloey and Peter Sam are both safe. Really, guys? Whatever. Nia is safe. Space Scruff is safe. Spencer is safe. Bookload is safe. Basic Zombie is safe. Crazy Dave is safe. Yeti Zombie is safe. Dum bum dum bum bow. Shut up. What the hell was that for? Whoa, Inkling Girl is safe. Anyway. Mickey Fidget Spinner is safe. Geronimo. Yeah. Skull is safe. Skull Raft is safe. And he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next episode. Waddle, waddle. Waddle Dee is safe. Mareep is safe. Hylian Shield is safe. 5 is safe. 0 is safe. Brick Separator is safe. Knight, Rook, and Pawn are all safe. Tom Nook is safe. Mr. Rossetti and Meta Knight are safe. Meganium is safe. Now how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $27 of you are left. Once there are only 7 spots remain. How's that? When 20 of you are left, there are 27 of you. 7 safe spots left. I don't even need to be here anymore anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 spot left. Wait, what? Crap! 1 spot left. What do I do? Whoa! Ow! Thanks for the magnet, dude. Oh, no you don't. That's mine. And Busy Bee James takes the last safe spot. Thanks, guys. See ya! Ow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 of you remain. Only 10 of you will, but the challenge isn't over. You 20 are up for elimination. Now, here's the deal. Eliminations will actually be very different this season. Tie break. No. I'm joking. However, only 10 of you can stay in the game. 10 of you cannot. So here's the catch. We were going to split you guys up into groups of 5. Because here's the deal. Actually, no. We were going to split you into 2 groups of 10. One group of 10 will have an elimination ceremony where 5 will be safe. The other group will have to do a challenge where the first 5 to finish are safe. First is the challenge group. First, we will split you guys into the 2 groups. Because that is how eliminations will work. So, 10 people doing the elimination ceremony. The 10 people doing the elimination challenge are Blue Crewmate, Diamond, Inkling Boy, Knuckles, 1, 2, 3, 4, Galoomba, Rainbow Wheel, Witch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means you 10 will face the elimination ceremony, where 5 of you will go home. We will do that first, then I'll review what the tiebreaker challenge is. Now, you must now cast votes for each other. The person with the most votes is out. X. I need to handle their challenge. X, can you help? You will be in charge of that. Me, eliminations? Okay. Whoa. Really, dude? Sorry. You better be. Shut up, guys. Anyway. Now, tell me, because this is a contestant vote. So, one by one, I'm going to call you up here. Tell me who you wish to eliminate. The person with the most votes is at the 5 people with the... Didn't think this through, did I? No, there's 10 of them. Half of them are getting out, aren't they? Yeah, dude. There's 20 and 10 people. Well, you know what we're gonna do is we're still gonna do contestant vote. We are just gonna do it multiple times. I need 5 of you. I need you guys to split into 5 groups of 2. 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, there are 5 groups of 2. One person will be leaving on each group. I actually need you guys, the other 5 of you, to split up into... I also need the rest of you to split up into 5 groups. Who actually revoke the elimination ceremony method. There are 20 of you. Split up into groups of 2. So there should be 10 groups of 2. 5 groups will be eliminated by the end of this. At the end of this. Okay? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 5 of the groups. So your challenge now is, well, Crane, do the honors. Okay. What? Okay. Now, I have gone out of the... Now, as you can see, I have removed myself from the tracks. Your challenge, well, is to put me back. The last... Your challenge now. Here's the deal. I have removed myself. There are 5 pieces. There are 3 pieces of me. Scattered around on the field. Now here's the deal. I am splitting myself into... I am going to take 3 pieces from me. The 3 groups... Actually, wait. 4, there's not enough pieces of me. So 10 people need to go home, though. Make them 4 groups of 5. Dude, put your head back on and leave the stop sign there. Dude, put yourself back together and make your 4th piece. Dude, wait, easy. 4 groups of 5. 2 of them will leave. What? Really? Yeah. Because that way, there's 3 pieces still. Well, I'll fix that one. And a track. Now, reform into 4 groups of 5. Dude, just pick one more track out, dude. Alright, fine. Now, there are 4 pieces. Wait, Crane, put yourself back together. Fine. Crane, I need you to remove 5 pieces of track from the... Now, I'm removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There have been 5 pieces of track that have been removed from the set. The 5, I have hidden them in different spots on the field. Each team, the 5 teams that retrieve a track and place it back in its correct spot are safe. However, the 5 teams that don't retrieve a piece of track, that don't place a piece of track back, well, those 10 people are out of the show. Now, get going. Once you find a piece of track, bring it back to the crane. And he will put it back into play. And he will tell you, because the thing is, you must also figure out where the track goes. Now go. So, what do we do? I don't know. Any ideas, man? Let's start looking. Yeah, come on, Diamond, I have an idea. Dude, where the hell are we going? Just follow me. Oh, hey, look. Hey, dude, I see one. Oh, wait, really? Oh, those aren't easy. Hard to find now, are they? Dude, grab it, please. No, I have it. No, where does it go? I see a curve spot. Come on. There. Witch and Diamond are the first team safe. 4 spots left. Okay. That was, apparently the tracks aren't as hidden as they think. Come on, King. I'm not as fast as you. Hold on. Then get in. Launch. Whoa. Whoa. I hit something. What do you mean you hit something? I found a piece of the track is what I mean. Then grab it and come on. I'll meet you at the set. I'm slow, remember? Damn it. Oh, whatever. Intercept him. Intercept him. Just wait here. So, what do we do? Throw me. Where? Somewhere. Go. Wow. I found it. Easiest to find whenever. Can you grab it? Whoa. Yeah. Got it. Knuckles and Blue are the second team safe. 3 spots left. Whoa. Whoa. The hell? Taxi! Help me! Where is that guy? Help, please? How's it taking him so long? Wait, idea. Super truck powers activate. Whoa! Grab it! What? I'm going. Our track! King? What the hell happened? Ambush. Bring track to set. We need to win. Okay, I'm going. No, you're not. Push. We're not letting you get it through here. It's not where it goes anyway. Damn it. Rainbow wheel. Get out of the way. Well, he's busy occupied with that. I'm gonna go neighbor tracks. Yoink. Crystal and Rainbow Wheel are safe. Sweet. And so are Taxi and King. 1 track left. Really, man? They got away? Where's the last track? Yeah, I see it. Oh, no, he doesn't. What? Where? How are you? I'm not gonna guess. Just help me get the damn piece of track. Not so fast, you don't. Get rid of him. On it. Whoa. Dude, stall the others. I'm gonna grab the track. Dude, stand here and watch for any teams that might ambush. I'm grabbing the piece of track. Stop him from putting it in. Yes. Wait, only one of us can win though. What? Whoa. Backwards. No. I'm coming, dude. I'm coming. Out of you. Out of the way, guys. I'm not getting bested by twice today. First, James. I'm not getting bested by 2 people today. James, getting done like that by James was enough. What? The hell are you on about? I can do this. I can do it. Yes! Blue crewmate and dead crewmate are the last team safe. What? He's alive? Yeah. You did it, man. Thanks. Now come on. The rest of you, well, you're the first people eliminated from the show. Sorry, guys. Any last words? One. Yeah. Where you're sending us, please no exits or BRBs. Please no eternal algebra class or BRB or big rotating buildings, please. Oh, I'm done with that shit. Oh, I'm done with that stuff. I've learned from the announcer, actually. You know? Big gray boxes are attacked today, actually, guys. You know? Big gray containers are where it's at these days. Really? Whoa. Whoa. Thanks. Whoa, yes. Yeah. Well, there. You have episode 1 of 4's Fantastic Fantasy. The other 2 seasons will resume later. Before we end today's episode, I would like to thank you for enjoying Season 12, Episode 1. I would like to let you know that Season 10 and 11 are on temporary hiatus, which is why I started this one. So, I am currently in the process of making a new DIY, literally making an art crate. So, Rocky, the ceramic rock, I'm currently in the process of making a second version of him out of air dry clay, who is going to join Season 10. However, the next episode of Season 10 is going to be a crossover with Season 11's third episode at the same time. So, those seasons are both on hiatus until that character is finished. So until then, I'll be filming this season. So, until then though, but Season 12 has now started, so don't worry, you will still get content. You're welcome. Hope you enjoyed episode 1 of 4's Fantastic Fantasy. Ow. Really, 4? Sorry.